morning everyone. Today we will start our next chapter, that is the central tendency part 2. In the central tendency part 2, that is a part of median and mode. We can say when we are talking about the part 1, that is the arithmetic mean, and when we are talking about the part 2, it is the median and mode. You all people are familiar with the M and Z. It is median and it is mode. You all are familiar with that. Clear? है ना? सबको पता है कि मीडियन क्या है और मोड क्या है. Because of this is the part of your 10th standard syllabus also. When we are talking about the median, so something is there, but here also same value type, same series is there, just like individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. When first we just take the part of the M, it means a part of the median. So there are three series of the median. What do you mean by the median first? So median means the just a mean value of the observation. Fine, mean value of the observation. When the observation are given to you, you just find out the mean value. तो किसी भी चीज की mean value कब मिलेगी? जब mean value मिलना है, mean value ढूंढनी है हमें. So first you just arrange the observation, arrange the data, or arrange the item whatever is given to you. So first you arrange the data. And what is the best way to arrange? Maybe the ascending order or maybe the descending order. But in the case of we generally we can use the ascending form. Answer remains same in both case. अगर आपने ascending में रखा है या descending में रखा है, answer remain same in the both case. But just that is the habitual, that is a good way to write down the ascending order. So first of the median having the three type of series, just like a mean only. That is called individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. Clear? These three series already we had seen. When we are talking about the individual series, so and in the individual series, the formula of the mean is size of n plus 1 by 2 item, or we can say this is observation also. When we are talking about the discrete series, so formula again same, size of n plus 1 by 2 observation, or we can say item. But when the continuous series is going on, so n equal to size of n by 2 observation. But not enough that, because this is a continuous series, so we can say n equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into C. Clear? This formula is used in the continuous series. L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into C. This is the our formula to use the continuous series. But students, keep in your mind, these are the formulas for find out the median only. Fine? When the individual series is given, discrete series is given, or continuous form series is given. Now, in your mind, that is the answer. What is CF? But in 11th, 10th standard already you had seen CF. It means the cumulative frequency. It means the sum of the frequency. We can say addition of the frequency. It is called the cumulative frequency. And others are already given to you, and that is a clear concept to you. What is C, or it is also done in mean chapter also in 10th standard also. So we just start with the help of the median, find out the median with the help of the individual series. Fine? different टाइप के एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं और इसको हम लोग फंडे को थोड़ा सा क्लियर करते हैं. सो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट for the individual series. Find the median. Question 1. Find the median then 640, then 750. This data is given to you. Clear? Now students, what is the first step for that? Already we just in this lecture we just discussed about that. First, arranging the ascending order. So मेरा लिखने का तरीका मैं थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दूंगी. Now the serial numbers given. What happened? इससे क्या होगा? How many observations are there? आपको mistake नहीं होगा. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 observations is given. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So your n becomes 9. Clear? Your n becomes 9. Now what are the observations? Just put in the ascending order. So which is the lesser value? 120. So put 120 at the first column. We can say this is our x. 120. Then 170. So put the 170 here. And then find out the next is the 200. So put the value 200 here. And then after 300, two values are given, 350 and 375. So first 350 and other than 375. Now next is 600. There are two series again given, 620 and 620 and 640. So these two also cut. And then 750 and 800. So 750 and 800. So total 9 observations are given and already we had put in the ascending order. Now what is the formula for the individual series? So n equal to size of n plus 1 by 2 observations. Students, why we are taking 2, 3, 4? क्यों नहीं? Because this is the mid value. Median it is called the mid value, and mid value it is the in between. जो भी हमने असाइनमेंट में अरेंज किया उसमें in between value. It means that is the part of the two directions. So size of n is 9. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. So size of 10 by 2 observation. Then size of 5th observation. So what is your answer? 5th observation. So just see in the X series whatever given to you, these are your observation and you just put this value in the ascending order. So just find out which is the 5th observation. So first, second, third, fourth and 5th. We already ranking them. So 375. So here your median becomes 375. Now this is the second sum. Data is given to you. You just find out the mean. It means median. Fine. So what are the data given? 500, 550, 490, 450, 520, 400, 670. This is also called the individual series. So what is the step of the individual series? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now arrange this data in the ascending order. So you just see that 321, so this is there, so 375. This is your X. Fine. Then 400. Then 450, 400, then 450, then 490, 490, then 500, then 520 and 590, 550. So these are the data. Now what is the formula beta? So formula is n equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th observation. So size of, what is your n? 7. So this is n equal to 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2th observation. Now size of n by 2. So 8 divided by 2th observation. Now size of 4th observation. So what is your m? So your m is 490. It means your mid value is 490. Clear? Now third sum from the same series, it is given below is the age of some students. It means age of some students are given below and you just find out the median age of the following students. This is your sum. So write down the data or age of the students 2016 19, 2016 19, then 14 10 22, 14 10 22, then 11 and 9, 11 and 9. Clear? So just what is our first step, beta? Just put the value in the ascending order. So these are our serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So your n becomes 8. Now age of the students, age of the students. So this is your x or observation. You just write down in the ascending order. So first 9, then 10, then 11, 10, 9, 11, and this is 16 and 19, 16, 19 and 14. This is a 14. So then 14, then 16, then 19, then 20, and then last is 22. Clear? Now, what is our next step? Write down the formula. Size of n plus 1 by 2 observation. Clear? Now, size of n by 2, it means 8 is your n. So 8 plus 1 by 2th observation. So it becomes size of 9 by 2th observation. So it means size of 9 by 2, it means just 2 divided by 9. So 2 fours are 8, 1.0. So it becomes 4.5 fifth observation. Now that is my question कि अब इसमें से हम 4.5 कहाँ से लाएंगे? हम कहाँ से इसमें 4.5? This is fourth and this is fifth. How we can decide which is the 4.5? So again we use one simple formula, that is fourth observation n equal to fourth observation plus fifth observation divided by 2. So अगर इस तरह से आता है 0.5, इट मीन्स आधा यहाँ से लेना है, आधा यहाँ से लेना है. क्लियर? अगर इस तरह से आता है, इट मीन्स हाफ आपको कंसीडर करना है बेटा फोर्थ वाला और हाफ कंसीडर करना है फिफ्थ वाला. सो उन दोनों को लेके उनका डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करेंगे. सो विच इज योर फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन? 14. So 14 plus 16, fifth observation. These two observations we can take. 14 plus 16 divided by 2. So 20, 10 and then 30 divided by 2. So your n equal to 15 years. Here age is mentioned to you. That's why we have to write down the what? We have to write down the we can say unit of this. So maybe it is not visible to you. So m equal to 15 years. This is your answer. Clear? So what is the method? Next method. If you got the answer in the decimal point, so first you take the fourth observation, 4.5. So you take fourth and fifth. If you got the 6.5, so you take sixth and seventh observation like this. Clear? Now the next sum from individual series only. Calculate the median from the following data. Calculate the median from the following data. Just datas are 50. These are the data. So first arrange these in the ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now arrange this data. So first 220. 220. This is your X. Then 230. Then 230. Then 236. 236. Then 245. Then 250. Then 265. These are the data. So your n becomes 6. Clear? So what is your formula? M equal to n plus 1 by truth observation. Clear? So m equal to 6 plus 1 by truth observation. So m equal to 7 by truth observation. So 7 by 2 it should be 2 3s are 6. So m equal to size of 3.5 fifth observation. So listen students, here also we don't get the exact unit of the or measurement of the m. So you take the third and fourth unit. Fine. So m equal to third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. So which is our third observation? 236. So 236 plus which is our fourth observation? 245. So 245 divided by 2. You just add these two. 11, 4, 4, 8 and 2, 2, 4. So what is your answer? You just find out the answer. It should be 240.5. So your median is 240.5. Is it clear? So this is all about the individual series with the help of the median. This is only the individual series. Individual series में median में भी दो तरह के देखे. First way we just find out the direct value. अब direct value कब मिलेगी? When your number of observations are odd. Suppose this is 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 directly divided by the 2. So no issue. But if the series number of your n is given with the even number, suppose 6 है, so 6 plus 7 odd हो जाएगा. So odd number 2 से divide नहीं होगा. तब आपको ये formula apply करना पड़ेगा. It means your number of observation is odd, so you just apply this formula. And if your number of observation is even, so you apply directly that formula. Clear? That's all for today. Tomorrow we will continue this topic only with the district